Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is about my day 2 in Tbilisi, but unfortunately things didn't quite go according to plan, as I've lost my memory card and all the main footage is gone. But you know what they say, life doesn't pause, and neither do I. I've still got some gems from my phone, so let's roll with what we've got. So breakfast was done before heading out and we're diving straight into the city. This video is going to show you my itinerary for a day's plan in Tbilisi, Georgia. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll walk you through step by step on how you can explore some of Tbilisi's famous spots. The weather was playing a moody little game, sun peeking through clouds drifting by, but somehow that only made Tbilisi's streets more photogenic. As I have mentioned in my earlier videos that we use Bolt for taxis, which is very affordable, and using that we reached our first destination. First stop, the stunning Bridge of Peace. It's sleek, modern, almost futuristic, yet somehow fits perfectly into the historical patchwork of the city. So we walked on the Bridge of Peace to cross the river, and when we reached on the other side we saw that there was a fountain. We also saw a hot air balloon over there. We didn't try that, but it definitely added to the charm of the moment. So from there I walked over to the dancing fountains and strolled through Reich Park. Everything so close by, it felt like one seamless transition from landmark to landmark. And now my favorite part of the day, the cable car ride. To be honest, this was my first experience ever of a cable car. Like seriously, if you're ever in Tbilisi, this is a must. Floating over the city, you see it all from a whole new angle. The old rooftops, the river, the blend of cultures. It's like Tbilisi tells its story better from above. As we climbed, the Mother of Georgia statue appeared through the trees, stoic and strong, sword in one hand and a welcoming ball in the other. She's symbolic of how this city greets you with beauty and light. The view from the top was incredible. Eventually, after having an amazing day, we made our way back to the hotel, a little tired and surprisingly grateful for the clips I did manage to save. So yeah, that's it from my day 2 from Tbilisi, and day 3 video will be up very soon as well. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the vibe, drop a like, maybe subscribe or follow. And also check out my page, and I'll catch you in the next one.